Disclaimers. Welcome to our channel, World's Every Country. I am your Sam. This channel talks about the facts of world's every country. In this video, we are going to see about the interesting facts of the country, Cuba. Cuba's capital is Havana. Cuba's flag has 3 blue and 2 white horizontal strips and a red triangle on the left bearing a white star. Cuba's total area is approximate 110,000 square kilometers. Population estimate for the country is 11.3 million people. Major religions are Christians and folks. Major language of Cuba is Spanish. The country uses Cuban convertible peso for the tourists and Cuban peso for the locals. Cuba gains independence from United States on May 20, 1902. Cuba's national bird, Tocorovo, sports, baseball, flower, white mariposa, tree, royal palm. Cuba is the largest country and the largest single island in Caribbean. Pico Tequino is the tallest mountain at 1,974 meters height. Quito River is the longest river, 370 km long. Cuba's tallest building is Edificio Fossa, 425 feet height. In 1492, Italian explorer Christopher Columbus sighted Cuba. Believing it was a mainland China, he claimed the island for Spain. Cuba was once known as the Pearl of the Antilles, as it was the Spanish emperor's most important source of the raw sugar during the 13th century. From 1956 to 1959, Fidel Castro, supported by Che Guevara, led a guerrilla war against the US-supported government. In 1956, revolutionary force took control of the country. In 1961, Fidel Castro went on to become one of the world's longest ruling head in state. He stepped down in 2008 and died in 2016. In 1962, the Cuban Missile Crisis, Castro agreed to deploy USSR nuclear missile on the island. The crisis was resolved when the USSR agreed to withdraw the missile in return for the removal of US missile from the Turkey. Cuba is the only island in the Caribbean to have a railway. Launched in 1830s, Cuba's railway system is one of the world's oldest. Many American classic cars can be found in Cuba. In 1950s, 125,000 US-made cars were imported, abandoned following the revolution and the subsequent ban on the importing foreign cars. Cuba is famous for its cigars. Tobacco known as Cohiba has been grown on the island for thousands of years. Cuba is home to the 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, more than any other countries in the Caribbean. In fact, Cuba is the home of the world's smallest bird. Male bee hummingbirds measure just 57 millimeter in total length. Over 30,000 Cuban doctors working all over the world, earning the country billions of dollars. Cuba is the home of the daiquiri cocktail. Thanks for watching this video. To show your love, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell button.